This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Uncle Sam Twist and Pop card. So I've got all of my pieces laid out. I have already glued my matte pieces here to the base of my card. I'm just going to fold that in half. And I did go ahead and adhere my lettering just because that takes a little while to do and I didn't want to take up too much time doing this. So then you're just going to center this in your card, find a place that you're happy with, and go ahead and glue this down. Now, on my machine, I'm using a fairly old blade, and it still cut my letters out pretty good. There were little fuzzy places that I had to trim up a little bit, but they aren't too small to cut as long as you have a fairly decent mat and blade. Okay, and then you have 3 stars. I think these are the first cards that I've done that are for the 4th of July, because by the time I settle down and and think about doing them, it's like too late, and it's almost too late, but you do have next weekend to get the card done for this year. So these are the foam squares that I use that are from Dollar Tree, which now are $1.25. But I like these because these are a good size. And I don't usually have to trim them down too much. Now I will on these stars because they're small. So I'm going to pop up both of these stars. Okay, so that's the front. Now, for the inside, I'm thinking about which way these go. So you've got an X, and then you have straight down. So we're going to fold this way, And then this one this way. Yep. And then fold the long score line opposite of the front, like that, okay? So what's going to happen is I just like to take my fingers in here and push it in, and then when you fold it, it all tucks inside, okay? So there's our base, and you know, I have already glued in these panels, and you'll want to choose a light enough color that you can write on. Now I won't use any foam tape for the inside because it's already bulky enough. So I've got this divided by the sections. Let's move that over. So there's 4 sections. And what you're going to do when you fold this one is you're going to make this into a W. So you see here, I've got my W, okay? Now we can just set that aside for a moment because we're going to do these first. Now I've already glued these 2 together. And then I'm just going to put his shoes, and they line up to the bottom. So this curve here, you will want to make sure that you've got your curve in the right direction because the other way doesn't quite fit. It's just a little bit off. So just take a moment, make sure you've got it going the right way, okay? Okay. So his waistcoat, the curved edge here is the bottom. And you're just going to line this up right to the bottom, side to side. I actually didn't need the stripes for the pants under his jacket, but then you can put his little hands on if you want. And again, I'm not using foam tape on the inside because I don't want to interfere with how the mechanism works to close. Okay, so, and actually the bow tie is part of this. Now his top section, these 2 pieces are his shoulder. I've already glued the black onto the back of this, and then you will see that his mustache fits right into place. And then we'll put on his nose. Now when this glues on, you're just going to line it up to the top and the 2 sides, okay? So there's his shoulders. And then his head. Now for his hat. This piece just lines right up, right at the bottom here of the white stripes. and then the hat. Okay, so now we're going to pull in the base, and I'm going to start with the hat. And what you want to do here at the top is make sure that you're lining it up all the way to the top. It's not going to come directly to the fold line because it needs to be able to fold. Okay, and so if it went it's just off just by millimeters in there. But just make sure you line that up to the top. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the bottom. You're going to line it all the way up to the very bottom, making sure that you're not going over that fold line at all. Okay. Now for the rest of the pieces, you're just going to kind of eyeball it, and you are going to have, you can see, I'll lay this down. You're going to be able to see a space, a gap, and that again is so that it can fold up without too much interference from the piece. Okay. Just applying glue here. Okay. So it does fit side to side, but top to bottom, you want to make sure that you are leaving enough of a gap. Okay. Now your shoulders just line up to that top of your shoulder. Okay. And now your face. Okay, so again, do not go over your score line there. Okay, so there he is, and yes, you can see, but you can see here that he folds up nicely. Now for his bow tie, you can either drop it there, or I think there's enough room. Let me just check, because there may not be. I think there is enough room that it can hang over the edge. I just wanted to make sure it's not going to hang outside the card. So I'm just going to put glue just on the bottom because I don't want to glue it to the part that's folding. And I'm gonna let the top of this bow tie go over onto this piece, but as you can see, there's no glue and I'm allowing it to flop over. Okay, so now you want to take your piece and you're gonna line it up to this center piece and fold this down, and you can see your score line here. And you're going to put glue just on one half of that. You want to make sure it's below the score line, okay? So again, it lines up exactly. So just line it up and then make sure you're only gluing it to half. Now, we glued it on the bottom half on this side. So on this side, we're going to glue the top half. Okay. Now, when it closes, it starts to twist and then closes up and boop. Okay, so you do want to do a test open and close so that you put it together so that it opens right side up. Oh. Okay, now we're going to take our card and insert this right in the center and just kind of eyeball it so that you have slight border all the way around. And you can see that. Can you see? I have just a slight border all the way around. And I'm just going to go ahead and put glue on this side first. And then come in here and put glue on the other side. Okay. And open them up. And there is the Uncle Sam, twist and pop. Thank you for joining me.